the quiet corners of Sri Lanka's east, where ancient temples rise from the mist, and the Mahaweli River winds its way like a sacred thread through the land. Giants have walked for centuries. Elephants, deeply woven into our culture, our faith, and our forests. But today their world is vanishing. Forests cleared, paths severed by man's relentless expansion. Forced into conflict, they wander into villages in search of food, and sometimes into danger. In Sri Lanka, over 400 elephants die every year, most from human-wildlife conflict. Each death a tragedy, a silence that echoes. They explore the forest with their trunks, tasting, touching, learning, unaware of the danger that hides within. Elephant herds are a symbol of unity, motherhood, and resilience. Their way of protecting babies reflects the deep emotional intelligence and social structure of these gentle giants. A lesson in love and strength. Watching how they protect and nurture their calves is one of the most beautiful displays of animal care and unity. When a threat arises, they don't run. They surround their young, forming a living wall. This is not just instinct, this is family. This is protection. They are not just wildlife. They are a living part of our heritage. Protect them as we do our temples and rivers. As they disappear into the forest, let us not let them disappear from our future.